Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Neologic, and today I'll be explaining the ins and outs of the table with simple and advanced search, filter, multi-select, reordering, and resizing. Let's get started. The table with simple and advanced search, filter, multi-select, reordering, and resizing is an interactive table component designed to handle large datasets and complex user tasks. To install it, in the app canvas on the left side, click on the plus sign, search for table, drag and drop it to the canvas, give it a name, and click Install Element. Once installed, you will be able to configure and customize it. Fields to note here are in Table Settings, Data Document Name. This is the data collection that you will connect the table to. Under Header Rows and Columns, you will be able to set every button, including the exact data that appears in the table. And under Filtering, you will be able to set the simple and advanced filtering. That's the end of our quick tutorial on table with simple and advanced search, filter, multi-select, reordering, and resizing. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and I with any recommendations to future help articles to help speed up your workflow.